Hello everyone, I am ISHAN Patra and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show how to insert 3D models in Microsoft PowerPoint and make presentations more attractive. So let's begin. After opening the MS PowerPoint window, go to the Insert tab. Then click on the 3D model side button to get a drop-down box where you will find two options, this device and stock 3D models. This device option will insert 3D models from your computer. Stock 3D models option will provide you access to the stock library. For now, we are going to click this device option, which will open a dialog box. From here, you can insert the 3D models you already have stored in your PC or laptop. Select the file containing the required 3D model design and then click on the Insert button. This will insert the 3D model into your PowerPoint slide. Now you can increase or decrease the size, rotate 360 degrees or format the model like you wish. You can also add animations to your 3D model to make your presentations more effective. For that, you need to go to the Animation tab. In the Effect option, you can choose any animation effect from the wide variety of effects present in MS PowerPoint. So, this is how your 3D model can be animated. Now I will keep the particular model aside and show you how to get 3D models from the stock library. The drill is same. First we go to Insert tab, then 3D models, after that to the stock 3D models option. This might take a few minutes to open up depending on the internet connection, so please wait a while. Here you can see various categories such as physics, biology, chemistry, animals, math symbols, etc. I will choose treasure hunt. You can see a variety of 3D models related to treasure, ships, pirates and whatnot. I will choose the treasure box. You can choose multiple models at the same time. After that, click on Insert option. Now you can again format the model, rotate it, change size, etc. and animate it as well. In my next video, I will show you how to design your own 3D model. Now, you may be wondering whether one can insert and implement 3D models in MS Word. Well, yes, they can, and it is as easy. First, open MS Word. Go to the Insert tab. Here you will again find the 3D models option. So it was simple, right? Thank you for watching my video. For more such tutorials, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and a very happy new year to everyone.